Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone still relying on their trusty Canoscan 8400 or 8400F flatbed color scanner, the Diced AC adapter. If you've ever found yourself in need of a replacement power supply cord, you know how crucial it is to find one that's not only compatible, but also reliable and safe. This particular adapter aims to tick all those boxes. One of the first things that stands out about this Diced AC adapter is its strong emphasis on safety. The manufacturer proudly states that it complies with international quality certification authorities, meeting top industry standards. This isn't just marketing fluff. It translates into practical protection for your valuable scanner and your home. We're talking about built-in mechanisms to guard against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. For a device that's constantly plugged in, having these layers of protection offers significant peace of mind, ensuring your scanner operates without risk of electrical damage or fire hazards. Moving on to its power specifications, the adapter boasts a versatile input of AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide range means it's suitable for use in various regions around the world, making it a convenient option for travelers or those in areas with fluctuating power grids. The high power exchange efficiency is another key feature, designed to maintain a stable working temperature. This efficiency is vital for consistent performance, preventing the adapter from getting excessively hot during prolonged use, which in turn contributes to its longevity and the stable operation of your scanner. From a physical perspective, the Diced adapter comes in a sleek black color, designed for a wall mount, which helps keep your workspace tidy by plugging directly into the outlet. It's surprisingly lightweight, weighing in at just 4 ounces, making it easy to handle and transport if needed. The main power connector is a standard 2-pin type. It's a straightforward, no-frills design that prioritizes functionality and safety. Now, a very important point, and one the manufacturer highlights, is to always ensure you choose the right device before purchasing. While this adapter is specifically designed for the Canoscan 8400 and 8400F, double-checking your scanner's model number is always a wise step to guarantee perfect compatibility. Nobody wants to receive an adapter only to find it doesn't fit. In essence, for owners of the Canoscan 8400 or 8400F, looking for a dependable and safe power supply replacement, this Diced AC adapter presents itself as a robust option. Its focus on safety, global compatibility, and efficient power delivery makes it a strong contender to keep your classic flatbed scanner running smoothly for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.